Hi everyone, Ramon Lllamba, your life coach, once again to take you on a journey of hierarchy of human intelligence. What exactly do we mean by this term hierarchy of human intelligence? All along we've been hearing about IQ, or what we call it, the intelligent quotient, and people were accessed and actually picked up for professional tasks and in schools based on how expanded your intelligent quotient was. And then obviously after the IQ came a time and dimension where people actually started valuing people based on their EQ or their emotional quotient. But is that all that is there to human existence, or is this more to our existence and which contributes to our being here as perfect, whole and complete? So let me take you on a complete journey of what are the four major quotients that make the hierarchy of your intelligence. So as we understand that the IQ is the function of the brain, and this is what is called our intelligent quotient. And we all have a basic understanding that all of our intelligence and interactions and perceiving of knowledge from the outside world is the function of the human brain. Our emotional quotient is basically our ability to handle our emotions. So when we talk about emotions, we only have two choices. Either we react or we act intelligently, and we have two kinds of emotions, which are the positive emotions and the negative emotions. And our ability to handle our emotions with a choice when needed is what gives you an expanded level of awareness and an expanded emotional quotient. So I've spoken about your IQ and I've spoken about your EQ. Now let's talk about the other two quotients that we normally don't even think about, or we don't even know that exists. The third one is your PQ, which I call your physical quotient, your body. How many of us don't even understand the significance of this human body? Let me ask you a question. Where would you live if you did not have a body? I mean, what would you do? Would your existence be possible without this body? It's impossible to exist on this physical reality of life without this physical body, which has form and structure, which houses your SQ, which is your soul quotient. So, in a nutshell, when I talk about the hierarchy of human intelligence, I would say it is your SQ, that is your soul, which is the mother of your PQ, your EQ and IQ. Now what does this really mean? So this really means that you are a being that has a body. So the being is your soul. It's the energy part of you, and this being has a physical body, and that body has a mind which contributes to your IQ, and emotions which contributes to your EQ. And hierarchy of human intelligence is, first of all, creating a deep understanding of all the four quotients of your existence, number one, and understanding that it's very, very important to create a balance between your soul quotient, your physical quotient, your emotional quotient, and your intelligent quotient. And also understand that these quotients are four separate quotients, but they coexist inside each other. So what does this really mean? It simply means like in a family you have the mother, the father, and two children. So they're all separate individuals, but as a family they coexist inside each other, and anything happening to one of them impacts the other three people in their life. So likewise, all of these four quotients exist separately. Like this is your PQ, your IQ, your EQ and your SQ. So they are separate, but keeping a balance between them is very, very important, because they coexist inside each other, and an imbalance in any of these quotients will create an imbalance holistically in your existence. And that's exactly what we mean by understanding the hierarchy of your intelligence, which is the human intelligence. And today I'm inviting you to go deep down into understanding you, because if you have not not understood you, how will you function life and how will you face the challenges of life? So it's important to understand how our physical body functions. What about the soul? What about our spiritual quotient, our soul quotient? What's going to happen to us? Are we just energy or are we something more beyond than that? And understanding our emotional bodies, how to manage our positive and negative emotions with a choice, and also understanding how the human brain functions and how you can actually use your intelligent brain or your cognitive brain to expand your IQ. And to sum up this session, I would also like to tell you that the SQ is the mother of PQ, IQ and EQ. Thank you so much, and we look forward to giving you a lot more sessions on the same. Have a great day.